Prospect research is one of the new functionality components of the application. When I click here, I'm actually going to get some views of information, and a lot of these are brand new entities and brand new functional pieces. I'm going to walk through each of these different areas just to talk about what they are. One of the challenges within the application is we've always been able to give you the ability to track major gifts. If I'm going after somebody for this year's major gift, I can use opportunity for that, or I'm going after a grant or something along those lines. I could use opportunity. But there wasn't something that would track an overall prospect. Maybe I'm going after somebody for a major gift, but I'm not ready yet. I needed something in the application that would allow me to track their status as I was prospecting them. That's what prospect stages are. It allows you to track that. You can have more than one at a time. If you're working on a prospect major gift and a prospect sponsorship, let's just say, you can have both of those in the application. It has functional pieces like how many days has it been in its stage. It has multiple stages that come along with it. The next one is what we call active ratings. You guys are used to having iWave. We have Wealth Engine, which are scoring systems where we can bring those scores into the application. I have my wealth score on the front of this screen. But we've had a lot of requests that maybe you're getting data from somewhere else, or you're generating the data based on some BI that you have out there or data that you've purchased from somebody else, and you wanted a place to put that. That's what this is. We're now giving you an area where you can track different ratings. You have different rating types, sources for them. We can put in inclinations. How much are they ready for it? What's our start date and end date of the ratings that we've given them? This is something that our vision is you can expand on. We've delivered it with a couple of fields. Ratings right now has a monetary field in it, but if you wanted something else, you would be able to put something else into there to be able to track whatever you're looking for. If you are getting something from a third party or something like that, you'll be able to add, and we can help you add fields into there to track that. Active assets give you the ability to track more details about things like property. It could be real estate, boats, cars, artwork, whatever you want it to be, but it's a place to expand on data that you may have captured, but you're only getting part of it from Wealth Engine because it'll tell you what's a property value maybe that you get out there. We wanted to give you the ability to expand on that if you wanted to. Other philanthropies gives you an area. If you can get the data of what they've given to outside of your organization, this can show you that information and be able to populate that into here. Again, one-to-many relationships, you can have as much as you want. The last piece that I'll show on here is active media. This has actually been an entity that's been in the system, but we moved it out to our prospecting capabilities. If you did run a Google search on your donor and things like that, and you wanted to look up or record what you found out there, this gives you a place to record that information. All of the prospect research is these new areas within here that will allow you to track additional information.